to meet you too.
Now our test today is face-to-face, where test takers are given information on a topic and they're asked to make a decision and express their opinion about the topic and answer questions about it. There are 4 stages to this test. In the first stage, first we're going to talk about you. Stage 2, I'm going to read aloud a situation and you will read the information and ask me questions about it. Stage 3, you give me your opinion and your reasons for your opinion. And then stage 4, I'm going to ask you more questions about the topic.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, good. Now I know you're studying English.
Yes.
Are you taking any other classes?
No, I'm just taking English classes.
Okay. And how long have you been here in the United States?
Oh, this year I have been for 2 months.
Okay.
2 months and a half, maybe.
Okay. And are you living here in Ann Arbor?
Yes, I'm in Ann Arbor, but not for too much longer.
No?
No, I'm leaving tomorrow.
You are?
Yes.
And where are you going?
Home.
And home
Spain.
is? Oh, in Spain.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So are you going to come back?
Oh, maybe. Who knows?
Okay. Okay. So you're finished then with your studies?
Yeah, I'm finished for this summer.
All right. And how did you keep in touch with your family when you were here?
Oh, we have a wonderful thing which is called Skype.
Oh,
That
nice.
I'm so grateful because I can see my family and all my friends, so yes, it's fantastic.
Okay. And do you do that on your phone or on your computer?
I have 2 phones here.
Two
so,
phones,
Yeah,
okay.
I have my Spanish phone and my American phone, so I can be in touch with everybody. But I used to use my iPad for talking with my family.
Okay. And can you text or only talk on your phone?
In the phone or in the iPad?
Either one.
Okay, I can text in the both.
Both. Okay.
Yeah, because and the Skype also has for chatting, so you can chat and you can video call or just call or wherever you want.
Okay. Well, great. Now for stage 2 of our exam, I'm going to give you a situation.
Sure.
And I'm going to read aloud with you, okay?
Okay.
So I'm your friend and I have a problem. Find out what my problem is and offer me some good advice. First, you should look at the pictures below and ask, what is the problem? What are some possible solutions? And what are the disadvantages to each solution? When you have all the information you need, explain which solution you think is best and why. Be ready to explain why you didn't choose the other solution. Remember to use information you learn from asking questions to explain your final choice. And finally, after you've shared your advice, you'll be asked more questions about this topic.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
I am.
So here is the situation.
So what's the problem?
The problem is my 10-year-old son wants a cell phone so that he can text message all of his friends. And my husband and I think this is a bad idea because he will be distracted in school and his grades may suffer as a result.
What are some possible solutions?
Well, we can tell him to just message or email his friends on the computer at home, or he has to wait until he's 12 years old to get a cell phone.
Okay. What are the disadvantages of each solution?
Well, for the computer, he might keep other family members from using it, and we would need supervision while he would need the supervision while using the computer. For the cell phone, he might feel left out and might not like going to school if we don't allow him to have one.
Okay.
So what do you think? What advice would you give me?
Personally, I think a 10-year boy is too young for owning a phone because, as you have said, it's going to be a distraction for his studies or anything. So I think if he doesn't need it because, I mean, he's going to school near and he doesn't have any problem, I think he doesn't need that, and it could be a problem because he can be distraction texting or talking with your friends, and he's too much young to have a phone. I will say to you that he can use the computer with time you give him a time. So, for example, 1 hour a day. So if he has finished his homeworks or his tasks, he can use his 1 hour in computer.
Okay. Well, thank you. Thank you for that advice.
You're
I appreciate
welcome.
it. All right, now I have some more questions for you.
Yeah.
On the same topic. The first one is, do you and your friends like to text message?
Yes, we do.
And what do you text about?
Absolutely nothing. We see each other every day in the university. We met to drink something almost every week. So actually, we don't have the necessity of texting, but we just do it because we have fun talking. Yeah, that's it.
Just to keep in touch?
Yeah.
What do you think other people use texting for? The same reason, or?
Oh, I think the teenagers like me and my friends, we use it just for texting and for talk about anything in particular. I think the adult people maybe use it for more important things, or for meet in some place, our job things, and maybe.
Okay. In your opinion, how would life be different if people didn't have cell phones?
Oh my God. It could be so different.
Yes, and how?
Oh, I don't know, because I was born in the technology century, so I cannot have an idea, but I guess it was so hard. I use the phone almost for everything. You know, for come here, for example, I have to use my phone because I was lost, so I use it for everything.
Have you ever lost your phone or not had it and been lost without it?
Oh no, I used to be so much careful with my things, so I try not to lose anything.
Okay, all right. And some people claim our memory skills have worsened with the use of technology, such as cell phones, the internet, and video games. Do you agree or disagree?
I agree.
And why?
I totally agree, because technology is making us more lazy people. We have technology for everything we want. We can check the calendar, we can take notes, so we just keep everything, our information, we keep it in the iPhone, iPad, computer, laptop, so we just don't need our memory every day.
Okay, all right. Well, thank you very much for and this is the end of the test.
Oh,
so I
cool.
appreciate you coming out.
You're welcome.